Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. In this episode of No Time Wasted Learning Darktable, the color contrast module.
I don't wanna waste no time. No, I don't wanna waste no time.
Since I'm about to do videos on all modules, I can't skip the color contrast module. It's a module that's best used to adjust the white balance a little bit, to create a color cast over your image, or to just warm or cool things down. Let me show you guys what I mean. Higher values increase the color contrast and lower values decrease it. When you use the green versus magenta slider, you are changing the color contrast for green versus magenta. With the blue versus yellow slider, you are changing the color contrast for blue versus yellow. In this image, if we decrease the value to the left, we see magenta being added to the sky and green being deducted from the trees. Moving it to the right reverses the effect and makes the trees more green and the skies more blue, and the reds of the houses more red. Moving the blue versus yellow slider to the right increases the contrast of the blues and yellows, making the trees look warmer and the sky more blue. Decreasing it leaves the trees in a blue color. Decreasing both sliders to the left gives the image a black and white look.